Hardyville, South Carolina. It's a few minutes before closing time at Herb and Florence Tolar's liquor store. As always, the family is on guard. Just 1 year before, Herb was robbed at gunpoint. Since that terrifying night, he's been determined to protect himself.
I said, if a person pulls a gun on me in a robbery, again, I will kill him.
He's about to put his deadly resolution to the test. A masked gunman bursts in, demanding cash. The crook spots the family's daughter, Stacy, just off camera, and orders her onto the ground.
I really felt like that he was going to shoot us. I was very, very afraid for my life.
With his family in jeopardy, Herb's rage is stoked to its boiling point.
When the robber held the gun to my daughter's head, I wanted to kill him. I wanted to get my hands on him and kill him.
The criminal doesn't realize Herb has a gun at his waist, and the vengeful shopkeeper is determined to fight back. Herb slowly moves into fighting position.
I was purposely backing up toward him. I don't care whether he shot me or not.
With his life on the line, Herb makes his move. The angry store owner pounces on his attacker, hoping to disarm him. The unexpected fight scares the bad guy into bolting.
I immediately got up off the floor, pulled my automatic pistol, and thought to myself, if I got 9 shots, I should be able to hit him with one of them.
Herb shoots 3 times before his gun jams. The violent incident is a wake-up call for the Tolars. The family makes the heartbreaking decision to close their store for good. It's a bitter pill to swallow. But after 3 decades serving his town, Herb Tolar has only one regret.
I was disappointed in that my gun had jammed and I was not able to blow his brains out.